Bealtine, which we call it on the Celtic calendar. Bealtine is one of our 4 festivals in the Celtic world. The other's been Lunacy, which is the beginning of August, and Samhain, which is the beginning of November. It's also the Celtic New Year. And then we have Imbolc, which is the beginning of spring and the 1st of February. So Bealtaine is also the Irish word for the month of May, and it comes from the word comes from Bealtaine, or bright fire. So this is the day we would celebrate summer, and we'd adorn our houses with the flowers of the season, flowers at the fairest and blossoms the rarest, like primroses and violets and bluebells and all of those, which are in full bloom now, but I think they look nicer in the ground somehow. But and they used to have a May bush, and you decorate the May bush and maybe dance around it if you felt like it. And so it's a great day of celebration. Also, there'll be a wee fire. Back in the old days, fires were kind of pure to purify everything, and cattle would be sent through the fires to kind of bless them and kind of get rid of any badness as they went out onto pasture, because they might have been in for the winters. So that's Bealtaine for you. It also happens to be International Workers' Day, which is ironic, seeing as there's less people working in the world today than there was any other time, maybe. But all the same, I would like to dedicate today's song to all the workers that are making our lives easy, you know, the delivery guys and the shopkeepers and the food supply people, and of course the doctors, nurses, guards and all of that. Fair play to them. And you're doing a Trojan job and making life easier, as I said, for us. I'd like to also mention two very, 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 very special people out there in Michigan, and they're married 41 years today. 41 years today. That's as I'm only singing 43 days. 41 years, that's a whole other figure altogether. So to John and Dawn Scheffler out there in Michigan, have a very, very happy anniversary. It's probably just morning over there. So I hope you go out and you bathe your face in that May morning dew. The secret to eternal youth, not that you need it, because you look fantastic, the pair of you. And also a wee girl called Colleen Carrera turns 15 today. Happy birthday. And I'd like to also say hello to my good friend Lee Moon, who is under the stars out in Wyoming somewhere. Safe and sound, at least. So this is the May Morning Dew song. Beautiful traditional song. It's quite sad. It's a reminiscent of sorts, looking back on a life that is no longer. I want to tell you a couple of things in case I forget. So tonight, there's a recording on. I'm going to set up the link on this page and on my own page afterwards. There's a wee concert that myself and the 3 others in this house in Shannon, my friends here, they're all musicians. And we never actually played together before, but we put a little thing together for an Austrian agent of ours who's running all his roster through little gigs. So ours is on tonight at 8 o'clock, the link for which I will post anon. And tomorrow there's news and there's bad news. The good news is I'll be back tomorrow. And the bad news is I'll be back for longer than usual, because I'll rather than one song, it could be over half an hour of singing tomorrow, because tomorrow Culture Ireland is sponsoring my singing. So I'll see you at the same time, but just for longer. I don't know if that's good news or bad news. It might be might be each some. Never mind. So the May Morning Dew. How pleasant in winter to sit by the hearth, listening to the howls and the bark of a dog, to wander the wild valleys through, and to pluck the wild flowers in the May-morning dew. Summer is coming, oh, summer draws near, with the leaves and the trees and the sky blue and clear, and the small birds are singing their far notes so true, and the birds are all ringing in the May-morning dew. The house I was reared in is but a stone upon stone, and all around the garden the weeds they have grown, and all the kind of birds that ever I knew, like a red rose have perished in the May-morning dew. God be with you folks who are now dead and gone, and likewise my brothers, young Dennis and John, as we trip through the heather, the wild hare to pursue. Our joys they were mingled in the May-morning dew. Our joys they were mingled in the May-morning dew. Happy May Day, May Day, May Day. See you tonight at 8 o'clock if you tune in to the link that I post. Also, that song is available on the Irish Songbook from Dervish that we just brought out last year. And the wonderful Rhiannon Giddens joins us to sing it if you want to hear more of that song. So, and tomorrow, see you at the same time, just for longer, if you can handle that. So until then, take good care of yourselves, and don't forget to jump with a little fire. Sometimes you can improvise with a little candle if you're inside, but be careful with it. And jump with the intentions for all your wishes for the upcoming rest of the year. All right, till tomorrow. Bye-bye.